Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 53 of Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to add in video inside of Microsoft Word. So to add in video, simply go on to insert right here, and then you can see that there's something over there. You can see Wikipedia, you can see online video and all sort of other stuff over there. So simply click on online video, and what it helps you to do is you can actually wait along, and you can see that there are a bunch of options right here. So let us wait for it to load. And you can see that there's YouTube and there's from video embed code. So you can directly search from YouTube over here. I'm just going to type in my channel called TutorTube and press enter right here, and you can see that the results actually show up, and there are my tutorials right here. For example, this is my animate lesson, so I'm just going to select it and press insert, and the tutorial is inserted over here. And this is just like an object, so you can actually resize this, as you can see. So this is my Adobe Animate Lesson 1. So let's say, for example, if I want to create a tutorial collection over here with the videos, I can actually do this, and I can say Animate Lesson 1 right here. So let's say, for example, if I want another video and it's from other sites other than YouTube, so I can actually use the video embed code. So usually I'm going to use my YouTube channel for this as well. So I'm going to use the MS Word tutorial lesson 34 of creating tables right here. So I'm going to pause this out. And what I want to do is I want to insert the embed code for this. And to do this, I'm simply going to right click and copy the embed code from YouTube right here. So now what I can do is I can go back to Microsoft Word right here, and this is the MS Word tutorial. I'm going to go into my insert section right here, and inside of online video, I'm going to select from video embed code. So I'm just going to paste the embed code that I copied right here. And then I'm just going to press this icon right here. And once I do that, you can see that the embed code is there, although you don't see the thumbnail because it's the embed code. And you can see that now what I can do is you can actually resize this according to what you want. So this is gonna be like an interactive object. So if you were to click on the play button, it actually will load up the video tutorial right there. So it is actually loading up. And you can see that the tutorial has been loaded, and just click play, and the YouTube actually plays right there. So the screen is actually black, as you can see right there. So just click outside and you can see that everything is okay. For YouTube videos, however, if you insert it using the YouTube search box, you can actually see the thumbnail as well. This is actually quite cool. So that is how inserting videos inside of Microsoft Word works. And obviously this is not something that you use for print, because you cannot print videos. This is something if you want to share across in a digital format and want to let's say arrange a lesson plan or something. So that is how you can add videos inside of Microsoft Word. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.